YouTubes! Okay, Haunt fam, I just picked up the 48-inch Cobra from Home Depot. I want to unbox this guy, review it, put it together, and I'm going to compare him to last year's Anaconda. Okay, YouTubes, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. The box says it's a 48-inch snake. It's a Cobra. I saw it online. My buddy Plastic Ninja sent me a link to it, so I checked it out and I thought, oh man, what a cool freaking prop. I gotta have it for this year to go along with my Anaconda. So we're gonna unbox this bad boy, see how it looks, and put it together. Now I know everybody's chasing that 12-foot skeleton this year and they're sold out. And I know that they were chasing the 12-foot scarecrow pumpkin guy. It's a 12-foot scarecrow with the pumpkin head on him. He looks like a scarecrow. I don't know, people are going nuts after that. But some of these smaller buys from Home Depot are just freaking incredible. Last year, if you guys saw, I did the Anaconda. I bought that and then I went ahead and changed it around and built it. So I'll go ahead and link that below, and I'll link my my Anaconda opening video below. So you guys have extra stuff to watch when you go back and check out exactly what happened last year versus this year. So far, we got a pretty damn big box, and I don't remember my Anaconda box being this big. Okay, so our snake is gold, so that's cool. Alright, so we got a neck on top. So, this guy's already pretty beefy, so check this out. Looks like this is going to be our neck section. Okay, so he looks like he's molded completely different than the Anaconda too, so that's crazy. Okay, that's a big old beefy neck. Some decent paint on him, nice little fade. He's blow molded in a gold color. So I'm assuming that's a neck section, I hope. Okay, we got our center hump. Get out of here. Wow, that is definitely a lot taller than the Anaconda from last year. That is a completely different sculpt, and we will compare these in a minute. So wow, that is a very big arch, so that's crazy. Okay, so there's another piece. We got our tail section, which is definitely a lot more curved than last year's Anaconda. Even the scales do look bigger. And boy, this is plastic blow molded lightweight, and looks like the same setup as last year, which kind of sucked. They give you those little anemic pegs to stab in the ground, so if you have hard ground, you're going to snap the pegs off in a heartbeat. So we may have to be changing that on this guy. So we got us a head, a neck, a center section, tail. There's two more pieces. Is this a neck extension? Is that what that is? A neck extension? It does say 48 inches tall, so we'll see. Again, we got some kind of a hollow plastic enclosure in here. I don't know what that's about, but we'll see. Okay. Alright, let's get to the good part. Let's get to the head on this guy. Alright, bunch of crappy instructions. Come on, we're real men, we don't need instructions. Oh my god. This thing is already bigger than last year's Anaconda. Look at this monstrosity. Oh my god. Man, has he got some big old honking eyes. A little bit of flash on him. Okay, so they put the battery in his mouth, whereas last year on the Sea Serpent, it was under his chin. So, overall, he's lightweight, but man, that is a big old head. Check that out. Okay, we got some stickers on there, some red eyes, so I'm assuming he glows and lights up. So, I'm going to go ahead and snap this guy together, and we're going to take a look at him and compare him to last year's Anaconda build. This guy already looks bigger and sculpted differently. Okay, YouTube, so I was pleasantly surprised when I was unboxing the big giant Cobra. They give you some metal nails, which is actually pretty cool. So, good to you, Home Depot. You're raising your game. No more plastic anemic spikes. I like what you're doing. Let's go outside and put this together, because there is not enough room in here for a snake that's damn big. Okay, YouTubes, so you guys can see the immediate difference. This Cobra is freaking huge. This thing is fully about, yeah, it says 48. He's about 47.5 inch tall. He does go together pretty easy. Those little pieces just sort of click into the base and he snaps right into place, but man, he is flexible. I mean, that is some thin plastic, so that is going to be had to fill with foam if it's going to survive Indiana winters and Indiana fall temperatures here. I do like how they put the little stakes in the ground, so it's got some little nubbins here. You just take the nails and drive them in. That's supposed to hold the guy, but I don't feel that's going to be enough, at least up here with our wind. But overall, man, it is huge. Size-wise, it does not disappoint. Paint-wise, it definitely disappoints. So you click your two pieces in, and the paint is off. So obviously, this guy needs a repaint. That's on the con side. But he is big. That is some serious snake. He is definitely twice the size of last year's Anaconda, which I already did. Again, I'll link that video below for you guys. And same with the neck. You can see paint job don't line up, paint job sucks. So I'll give you guys a little look up closer and take a look at these guys side by side. Okay, guys. Overall, he's a great looking prop. He does have a hole in his cheek back here. Don't know what that's for, but I can see water getting in there and filling up the bottom, and that's going to be a problem. I have to fix that. His eyes are hot glued in, so that might be an issue. This guy most definitely needs some bigger teeth. I mean, come on. Our little Anaconda has bigger teeth than his big brother. So these might get chopped out and changed, and it looks like we're definitely going to have to paint. Like I said, the paint does not line up. Look at the side, completely different paint jobs. But size-wise, he is impressive. He is impressive. I mean, look at that guy compared to my Anaconda. He just dwarfs the Anaconda from last year. So Home Depot, you have raised your game for sure. Even the sculpt is different. The scales are bigger. I thought they were going to use the same center section from the Anaconda as last year and try and squeak by. But no, this guy is a whole brand new sculpt. And I can't complain. I mean, I think he's definitely super thin. The plastic is super thin. You can kind of squeeze it. The head's not so bad, but the tail sections, this guy is just way weak, so we're gonna have to get some foam in there because, man, that can almost make the tail touch itself. And I got one more thing to show you guys. Check this out. Hey guys, I bought two. We got two big giant Cobras, and this paint is a little less than movie quality too. Check them out. Oh, man, we got two big old snakes this year to play with. We gotta figure out, oh, you son of a bitch. We gotta figure out what to do with these guys. We're gonna have to give them some love, some attention. I don't know. Hopefully this year I can get to them. But man, what a cool prop. You know, aside from the paint issues, you definitely have to repaint these things. You got some paint already coming off here. It scratches real easy. But man, size-wise, this guy is a freaking monster. The eyes are gonna need some help because there's hot glued in lenses, domes. So probably can do something with the eyes and do something with the seam. And man, he is top heavy. I mean, there he goes. So overall, not a bad prop. For 100 bucks, 99 bucks, I'd try and get him for cheaper. Well, hello, Mr. Butterfly. I'd like to get him cheaper, maybe like a half price at the end of the year if he's still available. The Anaconda was not available at the end of the year last year for half price after Halloween. But overall, if you're looking for a project, this guy's worth the 99 bucks, I'd say, unless you get a coupon or something like that. He just needs some paint and some love, but man, size-wise, what an impressive prop. I mean, they definitely jumped big last year from the Anaconda, which I do love the Anaconda. I'd love to have another one of these guys. But man, they are just killing it this year. So if you're not getting the 12-foot skeleton or the 12-foot scarecrow, definitely go after the 48-inch Cobra. I'd say he's worth it, guys. So thanks so much for watching. Go check out my brothers in the Trio of Terror, Vic over at Monster Misfits, and Dave at the Weird Kid Show, guys. We're doing stuff non-stop for you guys. We never give up. It's Halloween every day for us. So hope you guys dig this guy. Maybe let me know in the comments if you're going to go get one for yourself. Until I see you guys again, keep it evil. Can they make this box any goddamn bigger? There's so much more room for activities. Hey, 9-inch nails. You guys like the 9-inch nails? The downward spiral? You keep me closer to God.